President of Somalia, Hassan Sheikh Mohammed, went to Minneapolis, the home of the nation's largest Somali community. Emily Haavik reports on how Somali Americans there are feeling about the challenges facing their home country.
The people decided to root out al-shabaab, the president said. I will describe al-shabaab. They are like fish without water. The situation in Somalia right now is dire in many ways. Political instability, violence, and a 2-year drought that's causing a hunger crisis bordering on famine. This crowd knows that, but in this moment, they were excited, proud, hopeful. Not everybody feels this way about President Mohamud. Dr. Ahmed Ismail Samatar is a Somali-American writer and professor at Macalester College in St. Paul. He points out that while Mohamud took office earlier this year, he's been president before, 10 years ago from 2012 to 2017.
And his regime at that time was categorized by almost everybody as one of the most corrupt ever in Somali political independence history.
Samatar himself has served in the Somali parliament, and he ran against Mohamud for president in 2012.
So I don't expect anything new. I expect many repetitive things.
Samatar says the president's motivation for this visit is clear. The large Somali population here in the Twin Cities sends a lot of money to family back home and even invests in businesses in Somalia. The president wants support from people here, but Samatar isn't convinced he'll get it.
They want to hear what's happening in the country in a way that is analytical and deep and reflective and profound.
If there was disappointment at the president's speech, it wasn't immediately evident.
They responded positively.
Suud Olat is a Minneapolis activist who ran for city council in 2020. He was impressed with the president's speech.
He sounded like a president who has a plan to tackle this group. And he said before used to be the fight against al-shabaab used to be from the international community, but now it's from within the Somali community. And that's something that this group have never seen.
Olat says it's not that people are ignorant of the corruption allegations from Mohamud's previous term. It's that they believe this time will be better.
The reason he got reelected is that he promised he will change one of those things, and this will be a lesson for him.
Olat is young, part of a new generation, is hopeful beyond the odds that he'll once again see the peaceful Somalia of his youth. For The World, I'm Emily Haavik in Minneapolis.
From